Hey everyone, it's Samantha, and today I wanted to talk about how to organize your hair extension inventory. I think it is really important as a hair extension specialist for you to keep hair stock on hand. I know it's a bit of an expense at first, but as you slowly start to grow your clientele, having hair extension inventory ready to use on your client is going to be super important. Not only will it give you extra money in your pocket, but you'll be able to better service your client. So let's say a client comes in and they have a weft that's snagged, or their weft is matted, or it's damaged, it's unraveling, or even if they just want to change up their hair color and they want some dimension, or they want to go darker. You as a stylist could lose out on so much money if you are not ready and prepared to take care of those clients' needs. So today I'm going to kind of review with you on how I prepare myself to have stock for my clients in hand. I have a system that I use, a booking system called Forest, that I actually put in all my hair extension inventory. So when I will add categories for my extensions. I'll have 18-inch straight, 18-inch wavy, 18-inch coveted extensions. If you guys are starting to use those, I would create that as a category. And same thing for 22s, 22-inch straight, 22-inch wavy, or curly textures. It depends on whatever kind of hairline you're carrying, and 22-inch coveted. And then underneath those categories, I will list every single color or name, whatever, even the brand, I'll have a category, and I will count every single weft that I purchase, and it will go in the inventory system. And when I remove a weft and a client buys it, they could either pay for it through the front desk or you invoice them, however it is that you do your services for your client. But whenever I use a weft on a client, we have sticky notes at the salon, so my client will write down the exact weft that we use, whether it's an 18-inch number 2, and we use 3 of those, and then we had an 18-inch number 6, and we had 2 of them. So once it is complete, and then I'll go to the computer system and actually I will move it out of the computer system, so that way my stock is always updated. I also print out my inventory for my hair extensions, and I will put it inside my cabinet where I go through all my things daily every time I service a client. So that way, if a client comes in and they need hair and they want to replace a weft or 2, I could open up my cabinet and I could look, and I could see, okay, 18-inch, I could see all my stock that I have, what's left, and I could easily go through and tell my assistant, okay, I need you to pull out. I see, okay, I need 2 of this, 3 of that, 1 of this, and because I know it's on stock, so it will actually save me time rather than like, okay, let me go look at my brunettes and see what I have, and then I'm rummaging through and I'm trying to count, and it just takes so much more time away from the service and the client, and it makes it look like you're not that well prepared. So having the printout at my station, and as we remove wefts, not only am I taking it out of the system, but I will go on my printout inside my cabinet and I will like cross out and renumber what I use. And at the end of every week or 2 weeks, I will reprint out my inventory so it's fresh and it's not all marked up inside my cabinet, because I like everything to look nice and neat. So that is what I do. My suggestion, if you are a new stylist trying to grow your extension inventory, when you have a new client and you are purchasing, whether it's 1 bag of hair or 2, if you can, I would purchase a 3rd bag. And it's good to have options for a client. So if you know they're going to be a brunette, I would definitely purchase a color that is what their natural is, and then either a dimensional or a color that's lighter or a color that's darker, depending on what their hair goals and what their consultation is with you. So no, you're not going to be using the entire like 3 packs of hair, but it not only will give you an options to play with when coloring the wefts for your client, but it will now start to build your extension inventory. So my recommendation is buying at least 2 packs per client when they book with you. If you can't afford to do 3, I would do 3. And slowly over time, you will build stock. Not many people have $5,000 to $10,000 just to purchase a variety of hair colors. So you will have to be very strategic in your ordering process. And that comes with a very thorough consultation with your client. So that needs to be done before they sit in your chair. And give yourself time to order the hair. Sometimes it takes like a week or so to even get the hair. So be on top of your ordering, be on top of your consultations, and plan ahead when you schedule your client. I'm gonna link below. I bought these boxes off of Amazon, and they're these plastic little bins. I got large and medium sizes, and that's how I organize my hair extensions. So I kind of group my wefts based on like colors and texture and length. But the box is about 13 inches by 2 inches high. And then I get a label maker and I label all my little plastic bins. And when I open up my drawer, I have all my bins, and they're all organized, and I can see the color, and everything is very clean and organized. So I'm going to link below the bins that I get. So if you are interested in organizing your hair wefts that way, you can get access to what I use. And I'm going to show you a little clip on how I organize and place the wefts in my station. So thanks so much for checking in. If you have any questions on how to organize wefts or what you're struggling with, let me know below and I'll be happy to help you. Thanks a lot for following.